Received a CFOG file from an appraiser and can't seem to open it? This is a specialized real estate appraisal component file that works within a specific forms platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through exactly how to handle these ClickFORMS files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted CFOG files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. CFOG files are object group files created by ClickFORMS professional real estate appraisal software. They contain reusable groups of form objects such as text fields, images, signature blocks, and data elements that appraisers save as templates for consistent use across multiple appraisal report forms. ClickFORMS CFOG files use a proprietary binary format, storing grouped interface objects with their position coordinates, sizing dimensions, font attributes, data bindings, and conditional logic rules. Object groups function as modular template components that can be imported into any ClickFORMS appraisal document. The standard opener for CFOG is known to be ClickFORMS, developed by Bradford Technologies, Inc. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows can detect the file, but not its meaning, so proper reading requires the associated program. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your CFOG file and select Open With. Test ClickFORMS if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the CFOG file won't open, don't panic. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, opening in ClickFORMS. Launch ClickFORMS appraisal software and use the insert or import function to load the CFOG object group file into an active appraisal form. The grouped objects appear with all formatting, data bindings, and positioning intact, ready for placement within the current report layout. Next, managing object groups. Within ClickFORMS, select multiple form objects and use the group function to create new CFOG object groups. Save groups to your library for reuse across appraisal reports. Organize groups by category such as headers, signature blocks, or compliance sections for efficient form building workflows. Finally, sharing with colleagues. Export CFOG files from ClickFORMS to share standardized form components with other appraisers in your office. Recipients must have a compatible version of ClickFORMS installed to import and use the object groups. Confirm version compatibility before distributing custom template components. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.